Hello everybody and welcome to the demonstration video for the 12-string Telecaster which I've quite recently put together. Before I begin the demonstration I'll show you that today I will be using the most manly amplifier ever created, but unfortunately it's the only one that I have in the house which is working at present. So firstly I'll begin with the bridge pickup on its own. And secondly, I will try the middle position between the bridge and neck pickup. This one's personally my favourite. I think it gets the best range of sound between the treble and the bass on the guitar. And lastly, the neck pickup on its own. Thanks for listening.